Good morning, students. In the last topic, we have already discussed about the linear equation in two variables. Some students asked me some difficulties, their doubt on the point that is the linearity of the linear equations. So he asked me the one example, that is 4yx plus 5yy is equal to 8. They asked me whether this is a linear equation in two variables. What is the answer? The answer is this equation is not a linear equation in two variables. Why? Because our definition was an equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing the variable is 1. Here the terms containing the variables have a negative degree, that is their degree is -1. So this is totally contradicts to the definition of our linear equation in two variables. Then some student asked me, sir, such type of examples are given in our textbook, then they are not the linear equation, why they are introduced in the book? Yes, there is one reason for such type of equation, that is this type of equation can be converted into a linear equation in two variables. How they convert? See. Put 1 by x is equal to m and 1 by y is equal to n. In this equation, we get 4m plus 5m is equal to 1. Now, this is a linear equation in two variables. Such type of example we can solve by converting the given equation into the linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now, one more example again students ask, that is 4xy minus 5y is minus 8 is equal to 0. In this equation, what happened? First term, that is a term containing variables, had degree 2. Here degree is not equal to 1. That is why this is not a linear equation in two variables. Now we have to solve some simultaneous equation. What is simultaneous means? I have already told you that simultaneous means when we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, that is called simultaneous equation in two variables. Okay, that is simultaneous equation. To solve some simultaneous equation, we take one example from the textbook. Suppose example number 1, solve. For example, I take the example 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. And another example is 2x plus y is equal to 2. Here take 3x. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. How to solve this type of equations? Only observe the given two simultaneous equation carefully and see where is the similarity or contradiction part we observe. See in this term, minus 3y plus y. These two sides, minus and plus, totally opposite. Only think about this term. And now, equalize these two terms as a similar term like 3y. Only sign, keep in mind, sign 3y, we get cancel this term. And then we can solve this example. Okay, so multiplying equation 2y3, multiplying equation 2y3, we get what we get, and then another equation. Now multiply this equation by 3. Here 3 into 3, 9x, plus y into 3, 3y, is equal to 3 into 2, 6. We got equation number given name 3. Okay. Now equation number 3 and equation number 2. Adding equation 3 and 1. We write adding equation 3 and 1. Now write down what is our equation 3, that is 9x plus 3y is equal to 6, and equation 1 is 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Adding, so these two terms cancel. 9 plus 5x is equal to 14x is equal to 8 plus 6 is equal to again 14. Okay. Now find out the value of x. It is very easy to find out the value of x because dividing both sides by 14. Now 14x divided by 14 is equal to 14 divided by 14. So we get x is equal to 1. Okay. Now substituting this value. Substituting this value, x is equal to 1 in equation, any equation. Here equation number 2 is so easy. So in equation 2. So what is equation 2? Equation 2 is 3x plus y is equal to 2. So put in this equation 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 2. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Okay, and this is the solution of given equation. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 is the solution of given two simultaneous equations. Okay, we can also write this like this: x comma y is equal to 1 minus 1. So this type of example we can solve. Now there are so many examples given in our textbook. So try to solve them. Okay. See, we have to complete this activity by filling suitable boxes. Okay. Now, what is our first step? This is that 3x plus 2y is equal to 9, 5x minus 2y is equal to, give it number 1. Okay. So he says multiplying equation by 2. Now In the first box, we got 5x into 2. Now y into 2. 18 into 2. Okay. 5x into 2, that is 10x minus minus. Y into 2, that is minus 1. 18 into 2 is equal to 36. So we write here 36. Now let us add equation 1 and 2. See there. See here. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 plus this equation. Put there. 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. So write in this box 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. So adding plus minus opposite sign equal, cancel. Okay. 3x plus 10x is equal to 13x, and 36 and 29 we get addition, it become 65. Okay. 9 into 6, 9 plus 6, 15, 65. Okay. Now dividing both sides by 13, after division we got x is equal to 5. We got x is equal to 5. So the value of 5, substituting this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 21. So 3 into x means 5. Put here 5. 3 into 5, 15. So 2y is equal to, transfer this 15 into right hand side. You get this. Now 29 minus 15 is equal to 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. That is y is equal to 14. So y is equal to 14 by 2. So y is equal to 7. This is the proper value of y. That is 7. This is extra part. So it is equal to 7. Okay. Now y is equal to 7. X comma y is equal to 5 comma 7 is the solution of your simultaneous equation.